looking forward to talking to everyone about how I use TrialPad every day, literally every day in my practice. So if you're not, and I shouldn't say just TrialPad, the Lit Suite, if you're only using TrialPad to present at trial, you are missing a significant friend, a significant the piece of technology in the other apps. I literally use DocReviewPad every single day. I use TranscriptPad every single day. They are part of my workflow. They're a part of what I do as a lawyer. The beauty of it is I travel quite a bit. I go to conferences. I speak nationally. I am able to take on my little iPad entire cases with me. Every deposition, I've got construction cases where there are thousands and thousands of photos and documents and videos, and I carry those around with me on airplanes. And I review documents. I sit at home and I watch the Brewers, and I go through a 1,600-page, document production using DocReviewPad. So if people are out there and they know about TrialPad, that kind of seems to be what everyone is familiar with, if they're familiar with it. You have to force yourself to also learn the other apps because they are so powerful, and actually they're all interconnected as well, which really makes it powerful when you add it all together. So it helps you get to the courtroom, and then once you're in the courtroom, that's when you look like you have your stuff together, and jurors appreciate it, judges appreciate it. It's clean, it's quick. You're pulling up documents. I have an associate right now in trial in Waukesha County, and he's running TrialPad, and he has everything on there. He's playing his videos off TrialPad, and he's completely comfortable with it. He's been trained by me on how to use it. He's done a trial before with it, and there's no support staff. There's no one there, doing the tech for him because it's so easy. I mean, you're literally just touching a screen. So I kind of went on a little bit there, but I'm
No,
passionate about it
that's
because I've literally used this for over a decade. I mean, it's been part of my practice for over a decade.